The Enough is Enough movement has announced a major change in its Goa Stakehood Day public meeting scheduled for May 30th. The event, which was earlier planned at Azad Maidan in Panji, will now be held in a virtual format after the corporation of the city of Panjim withdrew permissions for the venue. Following the communication from CCP cancelling the earlier approval, an emergency core committee meeting was convened by the organizers. After detailed discussions, it was decided to shift the program online to ensure that public participation is not affected. The virtual meeting will bring together several prominent speakers, including former Allahabad High Court Chief Justice Fadino Ribello. The discussions will focus on key issues concerning Goa's governance, environment, public policy, and matters of public interest. Organizers have appealed to people across Goa and also Goans living abroad to join in large number and actively participate in this important online platform.
म्हज्या मोगाळ गोंयकारान 30 तारखेर जी सभा आमी आपयल्ली आझाद मैदानार सरकारान आमचें परमिशन फाटीं घेतलां आनी तेका लागून आमी थारायलें आमी 30 तारखेर मेळटले पूण ऑनलायन. आमी 30 तारखेर कित्याक मेळटात हांव जाणा. सगलो लोक गोंयचो तयार आसलेत आझाद मैदानार येवपाक आनी आपलो तेंको हे मुवमेंटाक दिवपाक दाखोवपाक सरकाराक आमी आतां एक आसात, एकठांय आसात आनी जें चल्लां तें आमी सोंसपाक तयार नात. 30 तारखेर ही ऑनलायन मिटिंगेक आमचे मुखेल मुद्दे कितें, वॉट आर इम्पॉर्टंट पॉयंट्स फॉर द पीपल ऑन 30th May at 5 p.m. The program will start earlier, but please put मागता सगळ्या लागीं and appeal to everybody, wherever you are, in groups, singly, please tune on and join the meeting so that you have a broad idea of how the movement prepares to move ahead. First, the important issues that I propose, I have discussed and will raising are: first, we are meeting the governor and we have sought his appointment to immediately summon a meeting of the Goa Legislative Assembly to discuss the Goa Agricultural Lands Act 2026, which is already tabled in the Goa Legislative Assembly. If this bill is enacted, it will stop the destruction of our hills, of our agricultural lands, and more importantly, it will save our agricultural land from being converted and or other lands going out of people who are not resident in Goa for at least 30 years. Second point, we had asked the government to implement the 10-point charter. Till date, the government has done nothing in the matter. We had asked that budgetary provisions be made for carrying out studies on carrying capacity. Carrying capacity important आसा कित्याक लागून जर तर आमी आमचे गांव सांबाळटलेत तेन्ना कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटीचो रिक्वायरमेंट आसा. तुम्ही जाणात कारापुराक कितें जाता तें. 700 ते 750 घर आसात ते आख्या गांवांत आनी हे लोदा प्रोजेक्ट हाडटात आनी 1250 हेचे वयर घरां म्हणजे कारापूरचे लोक आपलेच गांवांत आज जातलेत एक मायनॉरिटी. आमचो मुवमेंट आनी हांव तरी तयार ना. आमी हे आमचे गांव गोंयचो लोक आमी मायनॉरिटी जावपाक. तिसरो मुद्दो, आमचे वांगडी दुसरे NGO झगडटात आमचें गोंय सांबाळपाक, गोंयची इकॉलॉजी, गोंयची एनवायरमेंट, गोंयची रानां, गोंयची शेतां आनी गोंयचे आमचो जागे. हे कारण लागून तेमचे जायत्यो फॉल्स केसीस घातल्यात आनी हातूंत सरकारी आनी सरकाराचे वांगडी बी भाग आसात. आमी हे मिटिंगेक आमी ठरावपाक जाय की हे सगळें बंद जावपाक जाय. जोर तर सरकाराक आनी तेमच्या वांगड्यांक केस्यो घालपाक जाय. तेमी घालपाक जाय अगेन्स्ट दोज करप्ट ब्युरोक्रेट्स, करप्ट मिनिस्टर्स, करप्ट MLAs, करप्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स आनी सर्व जे लोक म्हणटात की करप्ट आसात म्हणून. आमी मागतात ती चवथो मुद्दो, लोकांक झगडोन तेमचेर केस्यो घातल्यात. These are cases of our people fighting to protect their lands, their livelihood, their hills, their heritage. आमची मागणी आनी ह्या मुवमेंटाची मागणी आसतली ज्यो असल्यो केस ज्यो घातल्यात, all these cases must be withdrawn. These people who are fighting to protect their livelihood, protect तेमचे गांव, protect तेमचे दोंगर, these false cases, trumped up or otherwise, have to be withdrawn. आनी हे 5 मुद्दे आसतलेत हे बसकेचे आनी हे मुद्दे घेवन आमी मुखार वयतलेत आनी आमकां आशा आसा गोंयचो सबार लोक पेडण्यां ते काणकोणतून, सत्तरी ते सालसेटतून एकठांय येतलेत आनी आपल्या हक दाखयतलेत, आपली घोडसाळ ताकद दाखयतलेत की आमी आतां गोंयकार एकठांय आसात आनी आतां आमी आनी सोंसपाक तयार नात. तुमकां सगल्यांक देव बरो करूं.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.